My hair is getting long. I have a solution for this. Hey guys, the foodie here. I know we're all at home right now and there's, not a lot to do, but we're also getting bored with our food. So one thing I like to do is make a comfort food, mashed potatoes. They're easy, everyone has potatoes, and they're fun, and they're tasty, and I don't know anyone who doesn't like them. So let's get into it. Alright guys, we're going to take 4 large potatoes and we're going to start to peel them. The quickest way you can peel a potato is peeling it from top to bottom. I had to peel a lot of these potatoes in my cooking days in the restaurants. Yeah, you get really quick at peeling potatoes. And the chef actually yelled at me if I didn't peel them correctly, as in top to bottom, and just going all over the place. I'm using a Yukon Gold potato for my mashed potatoes. They're pretty awesome in-between potato, between a waxy and a mealy. And I love the yellow color it gives to the mashed potatoes. Now we're going to cut our potatoes in half and then cube them up. And we're going to place them into a pot of water so they don't brown and help remove some of the extra starch. So I might have put all my potatoes into a pot that is too small, so I'm going to swap them out and put them in a big stock pot. Let's generously season the potatoes with salt, and then we're going to fill it with water. Then we're going to bring it to a boil and cook the potatoes till they're fork tender. I like to add roasted garlic to my mashed potatoes. It adds a nice, beautiful garlic flavor to it. And actually, it's pretty simple to roast garlic. All you need to do is cut the top of the bulb off, then drizzle some olive oil and sprinkle some pepper and salt on it, and fold it up in some tinfoil and pop it in the oven for, I'd say, about 45 minutes to an hour at 375 degrees. And I warn you, your house is going to smell amazing for the rest of the day with the smell of roasted garlic going throughout it. Let's have a look at our garlic. Let's open it up here. Let's see, here we go. Look at this soft, creamy, delicious garlic. You can actually put this on top of some brie and it'll be super delicious. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna do that later. I mean, I got lots of time. Why not, right? In a small saucepan, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter and then we are gonna let it melt. And once it's melted, we're gonna add in half a cup of milk, 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. And I'm gonna take a page from Binging with Bobbish and use the world's tiniest whisk. And give that a little mix, and then we'll turn off the heat and place that aside until our mashed potatoes are ready for it. Now that our potatoes have boiled, I've strained them and add them to our Kitchenaid mixing bowl. We're going to mix this on low until the potato becomes slightly mashed. That's what we're going for here. I also have a guard to help keep the potatoes from flying everywhere. That looks about good. Let's add in our milk mixture. Let's season it with some salt and pepper. And then let's give it another mix. And let's not forget to add in our roasted garlic. Since we took the time to make it, make sure we add it. All you need to do is to squeeze it and it should just fall out into the potatoes. Now let's give it one final mix. Here we go. Mashed potatoes are finished and let's plate this up. How can you not love mashed potatoes? Creamy, silky smooth, deliciousness. Let's top it with some greens. I'm using some green onion. You can use any herb you want. It's what I had on hand. By no means you have to use green onion. Now let's give it a little try. Oh, this is tasty. Foodie out. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps out the channel and I appreciate all the support I can get.